Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Good morning, just on my own. The last thing you want to do is get wet. Morning guys, how are we? I'm just about to go on Splash Mountain at the Magic Kingdom, so come and join us. We've just got a Lightning Lane, or sorry, Genie Plus. I paid $15 for it, so I'm going to basically see how many rides I can actually get on the Genie Plus today. So my first one was at 9:15 to 10:15, and that was the Splash Mountain ride. Just to let you know, when you come, the shop is actually being closed. It's still closed. We haven't even opened it, so the shop is still closed. The Splash Mountain shop, I'm guessing they probably won't open it. The standby entrance is only 10 minutes. It's probably because it's absolutely freezing this morning. So yeah, let's get on there.
I just stand them here. No, I got you right here.
It's going to be really quick, this line.
That's not real quick.
Hey, your girl's helping
Here we go. Literally, there's no wait anyway, so I got the Lightning Lane for nothing, but you know what? It doesn't matter. I want to get on it. Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
That's good.
As I say, I'm going to be a bit cold now, probably.
Yeah,
Good morning, just on my own.
Row 7 right now.
Row 7, thank you, darling. Oh, oh, shoot. Whoa. See you later. Woo. Oh, oh, oh.
You ask me, sooner than later, Fox and Brett Bass on the check that girl back up there too.
There we go. No, little one.
We're about to go.
Oh, I don't have to speed the water out anymore. Used to, like, water used to go on you.
It's one rail. It's all fun.
We're all the way in the back. So we're like,
Just got a bit wet. It's a good job I got the t-shirt on. I got a little bit soaked on my arm. Not much, but it's a bit of water still. Just to let you know, it's really cold at the Magic Kingdom today as well. thing you want to do is get wet.
I'm looking for a little more adventure. He's gonna catch me. Ladies, I'm looking for a little more desire. Time to be moving along.
Look yonder, there goes Peter Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear, as usual. Look yonder, there goes Peter Rabbit, being chased by Brer
There's the bear trying to get in the tree. Uh-oh.
I said it was mine, and I'm laughing. Well, you know that's sticking your nose in the wrong place.
A little drop. Woo! Oh, 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 oh. The frogs. Oh, here's the big jump. Here's the big jump drop.
Let it go! Right up here.
Oh no, it's the big one! Soaking wet. Oh great. I know it was a big drop. Yeah, I got wet. I got absolutely drenched.
I was like,
My head got wet, but nothing else did. Like, hi, wasn't that weird?
That was good.
Oh my god!
Well, hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I did. I'm freezing. I like this bit. Zippity yay. Why oh why, what a wonderful day. I'm gonna miss all this when it's gone. Zippity yay. That is funny. I'm gonna miss this ride when it's gone. I mean, not gone, but changed.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. I'm so glad to be here and he's here to stay. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Home sweet home is the lesson today.
I'm gonna see if I can stay on so we can go live for everyone. Right guys, we're going to cut it short there. Can I stay on this or not? Can I stay on? There's no one. There's no one on it.
yeah, you can go back around.
Oh wow. to go back on. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Let's go in the Tiki enhancement. Hello. How are you?
Great, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Tiki, 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 tiki room. Let's see you in there when we get in.
Aloha friends and welcome to the 50th anniversary of the Enchanted Tiki Room!
Woo!
This tropical serenade has been entertaining guests since October 1st, 1971, the same date that the Magic Kingdom itself opened 50 years ago. And everything stayed the same, but we've just been under new management. Which does remind me that Tiki gods have some rules for us to follow so that no one else gets turned into a chicken nugget the way Iago did back in the day. So we have to ask nobody. Excuse me.
Sorry guys, I couldn't film it. They wouldn't let us film it in there. Probably because it was too dark and then people, it would distract people. So yeah, I've just did it at the end there just to explain that the reason why we didn't film it, they just didn't want it to be filmed. So that's why it wasn't filmed. So I do apologise. But on the next, I'm going to have a look, see what Pirate of the Caribbean's at.
What we got for this? Y'all look at me. 1, 2, 3. I got lost. I think they're done. The Tiki. Yeah, right there. I thought the Tiki was done.
He's doing a photo with everyone, so he's doing like selfies. If you want a selfie, you can ask. Should I say something to him? He probably won't understand. What's happening, Jack? How are we?
I'm sorry, you said Captain.
Sorry, Captain Jack, sorry. Sparrow, how are we?
I look those ears. They look like good treats. That's a lot of fun, guys.
Let's see how much the ride is. 40 minutes. It's too long for me. 40 minutes. So what we'll do is, let's go to the Emporium and let's have a look around in the Emporium. So let's see what's in there. So let's fast forward and we'll see you outside in the Emporium. See you soon. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. I know we've done a video of the shopping before. It's just going to be a quick little video just towards the end. If you've not seen it, make sure you watch it. If you don't want to watch it, then again, make sure you like, subscribe, turn those notifications on. Even drop a comment. Don't be mean. Share the love. Anyway guys, Happy New Year. It's lovely to see you all. It's going to speak to you all then. I mean see you all. You know what I mean. Anyway guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out. On the website probably in the next week. Just to let you know, the most popular item in here at the minute I've noticed is the monorail. They're 120 bucks. And then you got some Mickey Park pals. I've seen these are like fans. So when you come in the summer, you put that round your neck. How much they are? That I think they're 20 to 30 bucks probably for them. They've got loads of Mickey and Minnie plushes. These. So you got Mickey and Minnie. Sorry, I said 2 Mickey dolls. I mean See what else have we got? Some of the 50th celebration t-shirts. $15, which are quite nice. Sorry, which is cool. Them if you really want to. But yeah, the iridescent bags have just come back. So they've got some. I would like to say thank you very much for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.